Modi government is yet to assume office, but the VHP has already raked up a controversy for it. VHP leader Ashok Singhal has reminded Modi about the promise made in the party's manifesto to build the Ram Mandir, although within a constitutional framework.
मैं समझता हूं कि जो नई सरकार आई है वो न केवल गठबंधन के समेत राम जन्मभूमि के संबंध में भी उसका दायित्व हिंदू समाज पर आए और हिंदू समाज उसका विकास विस्तार करे, ये कार्य करेगी। और जितनी बातें मैंने कही हैं।
Aditya Rajkol now joins us for more on that story. Any reaction yet from the BJP on that, Aditya? Yes, they have maintained that they'll do everything they can, but within the constitutional framework, although the truth of the matter is that this is an issue that they'd rather not talk too much about, at least at this point. How will they address what Mr. Singhal has said today?
Well, absolutely, the Bharatiya Janata Party at this moment hasn't reacted to VHP's demand. An absolute reminder just hours before Narendra Modi assumes the office of the next Prime Minister of India, even before he really has stepped into the Prime Minister's office, Narendra Modi has this demand, and in fact sort of a reminder, but by none other than the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, which is an ally of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, VHP's Ashok Singhal, a senior leader, had a press conference. He reminded Narendra Modi and the Bharatiya Janata Party of the promise of Ram Janmabhoomi. In fact, in the press conference, he went on to say that it was a promise of Ram Janmabhoomi, the construction of Ram Temple should happen. In fact, in the manifesto, if you remember, it was mentioned categorically by the Bharatiya Janata Party that there would be construction of the Ram Temple within the framework of the Constitution. Now, it remains to be seen what Narendra Modi and his cabinet would really decide, because the perception of the masses really is that Narendra Modi more so is a person with a developmental agenda, and he hasn't really gone into the religious angles or siding with one religion or the other, or really remarked.
Well, they've been pushing the development agenda throughout their entire campaign, but a reminder has come soon after the election results from the Vishwa Hindu Parishad. Let's listen in.
मैं समझता हूं कि जो नई सरकार आई है वो न केवल गठबंधन के समेत राम जन्मभूमि के संबंध में भी उसका दायित्व हिंदू समाज पर आए और हिंदू समाज उसका विकास विस्तार करे, ये कार्य करेगी। और जितनी बातें मैंने कही हैं